Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala said, "Oh, you believe, surely the alcohol and the gambling, the idol worshipping and the fortune telling are the dirty work of Shaytan. Avoid them so you will be successful." Last week, whole week, we talk about riba, the patong yung loan, yung utang tapos patong. That's a very big sin called riba. Like bank, you give the money in the bank and then give you interest, or the bank gives you money, utang yung bank sa yung pera tapos bayad mo sa bank, dagdag yung pera, yung patong. That's haram, that's riba. Kahit yung bank financing for the car, bawal. Or bank financing for the house, bawal din. And that's many Muslims are doing. They like, gusto nila yung bahay bibili tapos loan sa banko, mortgage, tapos bayad yung interest. It's a very big sin. The sin is, the Prophet Muhammad said, sabi niya na 1 dirham or 1 coin of the riba, it's equal to 36 times of zina. 36 times of adultery. The one example, you pay the interest 1 peso. So it is more big sin than the 36 times making zina. That's how big sin of the riba. And Allah said in the Quran that is like making the war with Allah and His Messenger. Okay, if you take riba or you pay riba, you are making the war with Allah and His Messenger. And yesterday we talked about the gambling. So there are two things, alak at sugal, that destroy your health and that destroy your wealth. Wealth, yung kayamanan. Sa gambling, sugal, wala nang kayamanan. At yung the health, well-being, your life will be destroyed with alcohol. So these are the two things Allah mentioned in Quran in different part. Khamra wal maisara. Khamar is alcohol, alak, and maisara is a gambling or sugal. So these two things are destroying wealth and health. The alcohol can destroy your health, and then the gambling can destroy your wealth. So you can be bankrupt financially with the gambling, and you can be bankrupt physically with alcohol. The alcohol can destroy your physical life, and then the gambling can destroy your financial life. You will be bankrupt for sure. You can see all the casinos are making money, all the gambling companies are making money. People are getting bankrupt. Lotto, sweepstakes also are gambling. Any kind of betting, it's haram. Even if it is 1 peso or 10 peso, 1,000 peso or a million, gambling is prohibited and this money is haram. The income is haram. You buy the food, that food will be haram. And then you eat that food, your body will be haram and you will go to the hellfire, because haram body cannot go to paradise but will go to hellfire. So avoid alcohol, avoid the gambling, and don't get the loan from the bank. Even loan without bank, avoid it, because the loan is a curse. Getting credit is a curse. The Prophet Muhammad is not making Salatul Janazah for the people who cannot pay their debt and they died. So if you die and you're not paying your utang, then you are going to hellfire. So that's a curse. Don't get loan from people, and if you have a loan from the people, pay them. Or if you cannot pay them, ask them to forgive you. It's better to call them that you cannot pay the loan and then let them to forgive you. So on the day of judgment, you are not going to be liability. You have no liability on the day of judgment. And then you will not go to hellfire because of this. So it is a very big problem for people to die with the debt. Rather to clear your account, don't loan from the people, don't have any loan from the people, and if you have, settle them as soon as possible, and don't involve in the other sins like alcohol, like gambling, cigarette is bawal, the bawal cigarillo, and also drugs, bawal then. The Prophet Muhammad said the one person who makes suicide, he kill himself, he will be in the hellfire forever. So if person is killing himself with alcohol or with smoking, with drugs, so in the day of judgment, he will be doing the same thing. He will be taking alcohol there, he will be taking the cigarettes there, and he will live in the hellfire, Saimperno, forever. So the people who are doing these bad habits and they kill themselves with these bad habits of alcohol or drugs or cigarettes, definitely they go in the hellfire, because they destroy their life with their own hands. Because it's Allah prohibited in the Quran, وَلَا تُلْقُوا بِأَيْدِيكُمْ إِلَّا تَهْلُكَةً, and do not kill yourself with your own hands. So don't make suicide with those alcohol and those cigarettes and those drugs. I was in the Jeddah airport coming from Turkey, and I saw when people are jumping to the duty-free shops and they are buying cigarettes a lot. No alcohol selling there, but cigarettes are selling. And I saw the bundle of the cigarettes, and he said smoking kills. Smoking kills. I told to those people, they are young and old people, and then I said, why are you buying this? It is prohibited. You are killing yourself. One person is very funny. He is very nonsense. You know what he said? At least I'm killing myself, not others. I said, you killing yourself is wrong also. You have no right to kill yourself. It is very bad that you kill other people, but you are killing yourself. It is bad also because you have no right to kill yourself because it is not your life. Allah give you this life. It is a amana from Allah. So saying that at least I'm killing myself and not I'm killing other people, it is not right because yourself is not owned by yourself. Yourself is owned by God and God give you this life and He will ask you why you destroyed it. The same way example, this cell phone. I borrowed to someone. After 1 month, he come back and he destroyed this cell phone. What I'll say? Why you destroy my cell phone? I just borrowed you. So same thing, this life is Allah borrowed us. He give us to use it. Owned by Allah and He give us to use our life. And we have no right to destroy this body. Our soul is given to us as by Allah. And He owns our life. He owns our body and He owns our soul. And He is not allowing us to destroy it because He owns us. Yung katawan natin at kaluluwa natin, Allah ang may-ari. Diyos ang may-ari. So, hindi pwede na tayo nasirain yung sarili natin. Rather, we have to preserve our life and thanks to Allah for our life and everything Allah has given us. May Allah guide us, subhanAllah.